Welcome to my channel. In this channel, I produce videos on the latest technologies and study abroad. In the present video, I would like to talk about study in Australia. Australia is ranked as the third most preferred study country destination by Indian students. Australian universities have witnessed a sharp growth in the applications from India over the last few years, much owing to their world class education, multicultural environment, and post study work opportunities available for international students. Statistically, over 37,000 Indian students were granted student visas for Australia in 2018-19, registering a growth of 32% over last year, according to the Australian Department of Home Affairs. The universities in and around Melbourne and Sydney have the highest number of Indian students enrolling, followed by other popular cities like Brisbane, Adelaide, Perth, Canberra, and more. Why should we prefer Australia? Australia offers a diverse range of study options for international students with more than 1,200 institutions and over 22,000 courses to other aspirants. Students can study at all levels of education from primary and secondary school to vocational education and training, from English language courses to higher education as bachelor's, master's, and research degrees at universities. Regardless of what a student is studying or how long you are studying for, Australia's laws promote quality education and protection for international students. Needless to say, Australian cities have consistently ranked high as the most livable and student friendly cities in the world. Popular courses among Indian students in Australia. Yes, these courses are affordable. Besides offering a quality education system, Indian students say that affordability is a major attraction. Australia offers attractive scholarship options besides opportunity for students to work part time. Some industries and sectors which are student friendly from an Indian student's perspective include tourism, retail, hospitality, and many more, making it easier to pick up part time jobs and earn some exposure as well as money to partly cover living costs in Australia. Scholarships also include government funded options like Australia Awards scholarships for bachelor's, master's, and PhD. There are also university specific scholarships, bursaries that are offered to international students for various undergraduate and postgraduate programs. You can explore scholarships in Australia. Australian institutions offer courses spanning diversity study areas including business, technology, arts, sciences, etc., as well as professional qualifications. Whether you are looking to take up an undergraduate degree with a dual specialization or a double master's, Australia has everything you need. There are 39 universities in Australia, including very high ranking GO8 universities. These universities are public. They are located across the states of Victoria, New South Wales, South Australia, Queensland, Western Australia, Northern Territory, Australian Capital Territory, and Tasmania. As an international student, when you complete your qualification in Australia, minimum 2 years with a bachelor, master, or a research degree, you can avail a post-study work rights from 2 to 6 years. This depends on your qualifications and the location of your institution. Additional post-study work benefits are granted to graduates who study and live in regional Australian cities. Good news is that all the courses available are accredited under the Australian qualification framework. These include high school programs, English language courses, vocational education and training, and technical and further education courses, along with undergraduate and postgraduate programs. In fact, the 2020 survey of top universities includes the Australian National University, the University of Melbourne, the University of Sydney, the University of New South Wales, the University of Queensland, Monash University, the University of Western Australia, and the University of Adelaide included in the list of world's top 150 universities. As one of the 15 happiest countries in the world, Australia is a melting pot of different cultures and nationalities. About half of the population is either born outside or second generation migrants, owing to the diversity and multicultural environment in Australia. The classrooms showcase this mix of students from different parts of the world. The campus life and facilities are very exciting, and a lot of sports, outdoor activities, clubs, and societies keep the students occupied apart from their academic learning. The universities have a dedicated international student support unit to assist foreign students from accommodation to jobs to counseling. Australian lifestyle is relaxed, safe, and rated one of the best. There are a lot of beaches, landscapes, and parks to explore and indulge in adventure and sports. And you can know about the intake. The common course commencement intakes in Australia are February and July. Few universities also offer programs starting in a third semester as well, like October, November. The process of application, offer, and visa allotment usually takes about 6 to 7 months. It is advisable that students also undertake the English language proficiency test, IELTS, like as it is an admission requirement. Eligibility in Australian institutions is mostly based on your past qualifications scores, work experience, etc. A statement of purpose along with financial capacity is needed at the time of visa application. Overseas students' health cover is also a part of the total fee paid in it. Ensures the student medically while in Australia. The universities have a strong focus for student welfare and care. And fee structure, that is 7,800 Australian dollars to 30,000 Australian dollars. And part-time jobs are also available. Food. Australia offers a variety of enviable national and international cuisines to fit every budget and craving. For many Indian students who are vegetarian, there is no dearth of choices. You can also sample home cooked food and Indian cuisine at many Indian restaurants every time you get homesick. Campus life. Australian universities offer an exciting campus life. It has beautiful, state-of-the-art buildings and landscaping. There are sports, music, dance, and many clubs and facilities. Australians and other migrants. Australians are one of the friendliest people in the world who are independent and believe in gender equality. They also have a terrific sense of humor and love sports. You will also rub shoulders with people from different countries like New Zealand, China, Malaysia, Philippines, etc. Employment opportunities. Australia offers 2 years of post-study work permit for international students after the completion of 2 years of full-time studies and successful completion of their coursework. Research degrees. The employability ratio of international students graduating from Australian universities is very high. The qualifications are accepted worldwide. Many programs have professional accreditations and work integrated learning, enabling students to be more employable by the time they finish their courses. Dedicated diversions in Australian institutions also help in placements, interview, and CV preparation to support the international students. Cost of living. Besides on campus accommodation, there are also other options available. Off campus accommodations are quite popular with Indian students owing to an efficient transport system which makes the commute quite smooth. International students are safe. And if you like this video, please click like, you can share, comment and subscribe my channel. In this channel, I give you the latest updates on abroad education for latest technologies, and you can contact me at Proactive Overseas Consultants, Vijayawada, behind PVP Mall, and my phone number is 9493 803066. Wish you all the best. May God bless you. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.